Use recruit token to urge the astrologer. Recruit token to urge the astrology. The destined will come to you. As the saying goes, the officer's weapon contains... You can obtain a large number of weapon runestone in the main stage. Now, let's activate the officer's weapon. Chuyang has been far from peaceful recently. Brother, let's ask the captain there for details.
Captain, I see a large number of soldiers garrisoned here. Why is that?
Zhang Zhao captured Chuyang, and His Majesty is furious about that. So he sent General Tao and General Dong here to take back Chuyang.
Chuyang has been far...
We want to join the army and fight at Chuyang.
Good choice. I need to register you first. Your name?
Chuyang has been far from peaceful recently. Brother, let's ask the captain there for details. It's an emergency. Brother, time to go. Let's go before it's too late.
Sand everywhere. We need to hurry up and join the battle. Regroup and launch an all-out attack. Any deserter will be punished. General, we're new here, but we still want to fight and help. Excellent. You three can come with General Dong and me to take the city. The city gate is wide open, but nobody to be seen. It might be a trap. Ha 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 ha! Those rebels are so timid! Full strike! General, there might be an ambush inside. Who are you? Such a craven! You should stop nagging! Charge now! Everyone! Follow my lead! Darn! Ambush indeed! Fight!
Sky-Earth-Human array is on! No one can escape!
Such a stupid fool! Quiet! The gate is sealed by thunder and fire. We might need to wait. This array has 3 core places. As long as we can find that, we could get out of it. There. Those 2 places are heavily guarded. I believe those are the core places. We request to destroy them. The core place of Earth is at the left side near the cave. Be careful. Guan Yu is brave and astute. He'll take care of this one.
General, rest assured. Leave it to me.
Universal quadruple! Supernatural supremacy! Benediction for all! Request for boosting! Scum! Heel! How dare you fight me!
Smash them in one blow!
Everyone blames me for my rebellion, and no one knows the people's disappointment. You'll be punished. General, you got some good skills. Why don't you join us?
Stop your impudent speech! You bring only misfortune to the people, nothing else!
General of Heaven is not going to let you get away from this! Noisy! Let me destroy here first! Destroyed my 2 core places. Everyone, retreat!
Hurry! Take down the city! Eliminate all rebels and retrieve the city. Charge!
Retreat! Hurry up! To the mountaintop!
My loyalty is unbreakable!